Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Note 56 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll down and find the option About Phone, which is at the very bottom of the list. Then let's scroll all the way down again to localize build number, and now keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. Now we can go back, and here let's scroll and find the system. Now scroll all the way down and tap on developer options, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. As you can see, this list is really long. So basically everything works the same, just like in the regular settings. So if you wish to turn on the feature and it has the switcher on it, simply tap on it and it will be immediately activated and applied. You can tap on it again to turn it off, and if you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from, like for example here. So if you wish to, if you're done with customization of developer options, you wish to turn them off, simply tap on this switcher which is pinned to the top of the screen, just tap on it, and after getting back, the developer options should disappear from the system settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again, just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.